My Jiju was
Yeah.
my Jiju was saying if you want to start. Okay, let's start activity first.
Yeah. Okay, the game name is Two Truth and a Lie. We will form two groups, and I think the group will be I and Lola will be in one team, and you and Parky, because I and Lola know each other very much. तो वो अलग मतलब गेम का मजा नहीं आएगा. So we have formed two group A, group B. Okay, so one member will type 3 statement. अरे यार पर हाँ, just think of 3 statement in which 2 are truth and 1 is a lie.
Okay.
And the other team has to guess the which one is a lie. And जैसे ना like पारिक and Akanksha are in a team, and Akanksha says something कि मैंने blue color के कपड़े पहने हैं, I am holding a pen in my hand and I am having Jebronics earphone. कुछ ही बोल दिया मैंने. तो फिर वो Akanksha, you please don't keep it to yourself, and only me and Lola will guess the answer. Okay?
Means
We have to
I'll not
type in
answer.
chats box. But क्या statement कल we will decide.
No, I
Okay.
didn't got me. What we have to
What
do means
means
I'll not
I
tell
have
answer.
to tell
You
about
have to write. You have to tell 3 statement. That can be मतलब 2 truth होनी चाहिए. 2 truth ना. 2 truth
हाँ.
और 1 lie. Then others will find out which one is the false या lie है.
I will write.
और थोड़े
Listen, Vartika. I will write 3 statement about you.
नहीं अपने बारे में या कैसे भी अपने बारे में या कैसे भी.
Okay.
पर देख जैसे तेरे बारे में मेरे को ज्यादातर चीज पता होगी तो वैसा मतलब पता है तेरे को, तो फिर ऐसे करना वो हो जाएगा. तो हम दोनों एक टीम में होंगे. जो भी तेरा गेम होगा 3 वो मैं आंसर नहीं करूंगी, सिर्फ पारिकी और आकांक्षा गैस करेंगे कि क्या हो सकता है, कुछ भी तुक्का उक्का मार के कुछ भी.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay. What are you eating?
Parky don't eat in front of us.
Samosa.
इसको ही देखे. I am seeing her. Today I
don't like
tried to make samosa, but when I took the maida, it is having that sursuri.
I don't like samosa.
Then
Or we can do one thing, we should not make groups.
हाँ, it will be मतलब we can play normally also.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start.
Decide.
मैं भी सोचती हूँ.
My back is paining.
Okay, who is starting?
Vartika.
Okay. Wait, let me search for some statements. अब मैं जो सोचूंगी वो लोला को पता होंगी आधे से, वरना मैं स्कूल की कुछ चीज बोल देती.
कॉलेज की बोलना फिर.
तो वो तुमको पता होगी.
You can go for those statements which we people also don't know. You know, some dark secrets.
Vartika. I am also not having.
You guys know everything. अरे यार I don't want to start. कोई और स्टार्ट करो, मेरे को नहीं है सोचा जा रहा. पारखी you start.
Neha will start. Neha.
No, I okay.
अपने मन में सोच लेना कौन सी वाली गलत है कौन सी वाली ट्रू है.
मुझे पता हो पहले अपने जीवन के बारे में, खुद ही को नहीं पता. Okay, I'll type.
टाइप मतलब और वैसे ही हमको बोल दे.
Okay. First one is Vartika, you will not answer. You know everything about me, yaar.
ठीक है, I won't answer. और तो मेरे को वाली स्टेटमेंट लिख दे जो गलत है, मेरे को पर्सनली भेज दे और मैं मॉडरेटर बन जाती हूँ. ये दोनों आंसर करेंगे. ठीक है.
Vartika, you know.
बोल.
पता है ना कि ट्रुथ कौन सा है, लाई कौन सा है, तो फिर okay, my first.
ठीक है, तो मैं नहीं करूंगी आंसर.
I have a selfie with Rajnikant. Is it true?
सेकंड
Vartika said, say first one first.
It is
I
false.
think I
It is
think
lie.
truth.
नेहा
Yes, yes.
ठीक है गेम कुछ और था पर
चलो ऐसे खेल लेते हैं. Then we'll move to that discussion.
ऐसे ही खेल लेते हैं ठीक
Okay,
है
I have a selfie with Rajnikant. Parki says it is a lie and Akansha says it is a truth. Okay. Now another one.
Tell the answer. It is a truth or lie.
It is a truth.
What was the statement that you had? Selfie.
What?
Yeah.
What, Parki? You are not audible.
What you said?
I said that
Selfie
I have a
with
selfie with
Rajnikant.
Rajnikant.
Okay. So it is a truth. Really?
Yes, it
How?
is a truth. We met him and he used to come here at Babaji ki wo gufa and we were just Vartika was also with me but only I get selfie, they didn't get selfie.
नेहा is so clever
I'm not
He
clever.
pushed us she pushed us aside and take the selfie alone
It was not like that. His car was coming and I just stopped him. I asked him that can I take a selfie. So I was not knowing that he will not take selfie with everyone. He just took selfie with me and he just gone left and they just scold me for everything that you are so clever and all.
Okay. No problem. Just share that selfie. I just want to have a look. Means
I am looking
just
so
want to-
bad, but yeah, I'll share you.
No problem. You will not look. You will look Rajnikant.
No, I am looking good in compared to him. Yeah, I'm good.
But today you are
now
looking good.
Akanksha's turn
ठीक है. एक ही बताना है ना फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट.
Yes.
सही भी हो सकता है
My-
गलत भी
Okay. My teacher slapped me in class.
It is a truth.
Lie.
Truth.
Lie.
lie
Lie.
lie
Lie.
Truth.
Yeah, how can anyone?
Because of my writing. She called me and she
Literally.
said, your writing is very bad and you will write 10 pages, and she slapped
I
me
got
in
point,
third
but
class.
note
I
the
know.
points.
First time and the last time someone slapped me and I hate her.
कहाँ she slapped you in your cheek
Yes. She's our
How
English
bad?
teacher
Nobody has-
and my writing used to be very good at that time and she spoiled my writing. She has written in her writing that you will copy this 3 pages and she has spoiled my writing.
नहीं खा दिया मैंने.
Oh, but ये प्रापा.
ये मेरी statement. दो का
मेरे को
गलत,
आज तक
एक का
किसी
सही.
टीचर ने थप्पड़ नहीं मारा है
My turn.
I
Yes.
also not.
Okay. I have pressed bell of my neighbor's house and ran away. I
It's
ran
a
away.
truth. Truth. It's truth. Truth.
It is a false because I said my neighbors. I have never done with that. I have never done this with my neighbors.
Oh, we need to be a keen listener.
I have done that, but not with my neighbors. I've done that.
I think everybody has done that.
I haven't done this and till now I am 19 years old and I haven't.
Then do
I'm
this.
so innocent.
It is very fun. It is very fun.
I'm so innocent.
Yeah. You must have an experience.
मजा आता है.
मामा नहीं खाना
Okay,
मुझे
now
कुछ
my
नहीं।
turn.
Next
मेरे को कुछ आ नहीं रहा है.
statement.
Okay. Coffee
Neha,
in my
Neha.
school or college.
What?
Neha, you don't tell the answer. I received a trophy, award in my school or college.
True. मिल जाता है वो तो एक तो.
False.
True. True.
It is false. It is false.
तुझे एक
I
भी
know
नहीं मिली
because-
बेशरम,
because-
तूने तो हमारी नाक
because-
कटा दी.
because-
You
Vartika,
cut
it is
our
truth.
note.
Vartika, it is truth. You have
You may have got.
मेडल था वो मेडल होते हैं, ट्रॉफी नहीं मिली आज तक.
no, Vartika, that time if
Mhm.
you score 10 CGPA, you got the trophy from school.
अरे वो तो फर्जी ट्रॉफी नहीं मिली कोई, because our school was very confused. They used to give only certificate.
Yeah.
Not even medals.
I am also having medals, but yeah. Okay, now my turn. I have got.
Our school also gave certificate. I have got only 2.
Now my turn.
Vartika,
Our school used to give that only.
Vartika,
Cert.
Give Parth 1 point यार. Type in chat box, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा type. Phone hang हो रहा है.
Parthi.
P1
I
लिख
was
दो.
doing that because when we went Nanak Mata and you have seen that team has so many trophies and Sheil, you were saying I never got any in my school.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, Kanka, her room was filled with trophies. Was filled. It was totally filled with trophies and certificates and that medals and all.
Whose trophy are there? Seema?
Seema,
Yeah.
Oh my
she was a
god.
10 CGPA holder and most brilliant student of our school. She was saying that, and we all were like,
Okay,
"Hai?"
start
And
fast. 10
Our
minutes
school
are left.
has not given trophy on 10 CGP also. They are so confused.
very bad school, my also. Same.
My
Nothing
school
was given.
was also bad.
Okay, Neha, no, speak fast.
Okay, I have received. I have got second position in Maths Olympiad. Vartika won't tell.
Second. मतलब state level or district level या school level, which level you are talking? It has
In
many
that-
levels.
In school level, okay.
False.
False. Second नहीं आई होगी, कुछ और आई होगी.
Oh, I am having medal also. It's a truth.
हमें लगा फर्स्ट आई होगी.
Yes, I thought third also.
And
Because
that
you have
time I
made a
also
false.
received the third prize.
Yeah,
school वालों ने मेरे
Vartika
को
was
medal
third,
नहीं दिया.
Pushpit was first, and I was second.
But nobody gave me the medal.
Yeah, Vartika
मैं
did.
बुलाया और बेइज्जती लगा दी.
I got the medal, and Pushpit also got the medal. But I don't know why. Vartika, why you don't get the medal?
पता नहीं यार. चलो क्या
I don't get the medal of English Olympiad. I came third in that, and I didn't get the medal.
This is showing.
Okay,
that
I'm
how
telling.
Hmm.
I have seen Modi ji and Rahul Gandhi in real.
False.
Truth or false?
Yes.
False.
वो टीवी में तो रियल हुआ.
नहीं वो तो
False.
वर्चुअल हुआ.
False. False.
False.
वर्तिका बता.
True.
Yes, true. Because when they both has arrived in Roorkee, so we have gone to our road, and there the Rahul Gandhi is going. He was so matlab gora. He is so gora. I have seen him, and Modi ji also.
Akanksha got
Roads
crushed.
are blocked. The roads are like लकड़ी लगा रखी थी उन्होंने, and the traffic is stopped. So I have seen Modi ji also. He was sitting in his car and he went.
She told Modi ji again. Neha is feeling inferior. Okay. Take on Rahul
I have
Gandhi
seen
ji.
both. I have seen both of them. But Rahul Gandhi is more
Neha has
handsome.
Trivendu Singh
I want
Rawat. Neha
to
has
see
taken
him.
selfie with Trivendu Singh Rawat.
Yeah, I have selfie with Trivendu Singh Rawat also. I'm too good at taking selfie.
Okay,
Hello.
Parthi, your turn.
Okay, my
Give
turn.
Vartika 1 point.
Okay.
Type B1.
Yes.
I met an accident. And everybody was watching me.
True.
Accident.
Accident.
True.
ट्रू हो सकता है ट्रू
बताओ बताओ कौन बचा है?
True.
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 ट्रू
Yeah.
Vartika is left.
ट्रू ट्रू
हाँ,
ट्रू
yeah, I met an accident and
Yay.
everybody was
तीनों का 1-1
last. In last two, you all were -1 and now +1.
या मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ यार, मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा। मेरे को नहीं आ रहा यार कुछ समझ में।
क्या मुझे
जो बोले?
और नहीं मिला
I was a shy girl when I was in 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th class.
4th 5th
Biggest
Sixth.
lie ever.
नहीं ट्रूथ
Yeah.
Yeah, you tell the answer.
Truth. Yeah. It's truth.
Yeah.
You are shy.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
I was also we were very innocent. We are now.
Then
we are
one
very
of us.
one to me.
Nah, but then
also.
Tanya Mishra came.
Yeah,
She
no,
make me
when
buy.
Tanya Mishra came, they get me out from their group. They are so
अरे
well.
Okay.
2 बार आ
Now
गया
you
मेरा
have your
नाम
turn.
अरे मेरा ये 2 बार आ गया
कोई बात नहीं.
और 1 consider 1
Okay, Neha.
I'm not getting. Kartika, I was having one question. That
What?
can I message you? No, I can
Yes.
speak here
तब
only.
तक के
That,
लिए मैं
see that you have said that we have to speak 2 truth and 1 false. So now I will speak. So obviously they will guess that it is a false because I have spoken 2 truths.
नहीं नहीं, now the game has been changed. You have to just say one any sentence and we will find out whether it is true or false.
Okay.
Okay, I will say
Vartika-
one sentence.
Okay,
I am
Vartika.
not getting
Neha
any
is
false
currently
category.
I am saying one sentence यार.
Vartika,
अच्छा, okay, say.
Parthi,
Vartika and Vartika's gang means Vartika, Tanya, Unnati, Sandhya have made my fake ID.
ये वर्तिका कर सकती है बाकी का पता नहीं तूने इतना बड़ा ज्ञान आई डोंट नो
Lie.
बट lie
It is a lie, obviously.
she
It's a
she
truth,
would
Vartika
have made
Tripathi.
no
It is a lie.
It's a truth.
नहीं है यार.
See, ये Vartika is lying. It's a truth. No one got the point.
It is a lie. I haven't make any fake ID of
You have made my fake ID that with Tanya Mishra, you Tanya Unnati, you have made my fake ID and Tanya Mishra has told. Don't worry, you cannot lie to me now.
Neha, I haven't make यार, सच बोल रही हूँ मैं.
No. You have.
so we will
I
get the
wasn't having-
points or not we have you both decide it is false or true.
Unnati and Tanya has told me that the main motto was of Vartika and Tanya Mishra. Yes, she's laughing badly, which means she's lying this time. You're not seeing her laugh.
Vartika, everybody wants to know the truth. What's the truth?
Okay, it is a truth that Tanya Mishra wasn't involved. Unnati, me and Chaya were there.
Okay, it's
Okay,
a truth.
I
And
said,
look,
but
she's
that's-
lying that I haven't made the ID.
Please don't fight with me.
She's so bad.
Okay, no problem. Let's move to the next question. Otherwise, they will start fighting.
Yeah.
अब कौन कर my turn I am
Yes.
not written I have got a gold medal in taekwondo truth or false
True.
True, yeah, I also think true.
False.
बताओ
True.
False.
हाँ.
truth
Really?
at district level
Yes.
at district level
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Akansha,
Akanksha.
you were
like
having this
taekwondo player.
belt, which color belt?
green one. फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया था. Then I left.
I am
Green
also
one.
having green one belt.
Hey, I
Nice.
was having the local based
Yay.
white belt. White belt.
And I'm having belt with no hook. That is broken.
Meeting time is less. Sparky speak.
Parky,
Now
now
my
your
turn.
turn. हाँ.
Huh.
Yes.
I never stood first in class.
False.
True. True.
Never stood first.
True.
यार.
Hey?
False. False.
True.
False.
True.
True.
Vartika,
अरे
true.
यार,
Akansha,
कॉलेज को आगे हो सकती है.
False.
पर
hey?
true.
I'm saying I never stood first in my school. Means in
मतलब
my
मैं
class.
कभी भी फर्स्ट नहीं आई तो इट्स अ फॉल्स. You okay? I know you.
Okay, Akansha
It is
and Vartika
true.
true. And Neha
True,
said
true.
Neha
True,
said false,
true.
right?
Yeah.
True.
I never stood. I was